Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this mango jam and pineapple compote. Seasonally fruity and absolutely delicious. Spiced with cinnamon and star anise. In fact, you can make these with the fruit of your choice. But for now, let's start. Add 500 grams of ripe chopped mango to a pan. Then pour on 375 grams of sugar. Mix together whilst on the heat until it's bubbling away, and then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix and heat until the colour has darkened. Next, add 2 cups of chopped pineapple to a pan with half a cup of sugar, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix those together and then pour in 2 tablespoons of cornflour slurry. Let it bubble away and it's ready. And there you have it, mango jam and pineapple compote. What more could you want? Enjoy!